Second form is monoclinic or prismatic sulfur, shortly written as SM. It is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling till crust is formed. Then two holes are made in the crust and the liquid is poured out. On removing the crust, needle-like crystals of monoclinic sulfur are obtained. This form is stable up to 95. This form is stable above 95.6 degrees Celsius. The crystals are amber yellow in color with density 1.96 gram per cc and melting point 119 degrees Celsius. Its molecular formula is also S8, but arranged differently in the crystal lattice. The temperature 95.6 degrees Celsius is actually a transition temperature because below this monoclinic sulfur is converted into rhombic sulfur. It is also soluble in carbon disulfide. Thus we can represent interconversion reversibly at 95.6 degrees Celsius as shown here. The third form is plastic sulfur. When nearly boiling sulfur is poured in cold water, plastic sulfur is formed. It is a soft rubber-like mass which hardens on standing and gradually changes into rhombic sulfur. It is amber brown in color and density is 1.95 gram per cc. It is insoluble in carbon disulfide and has no sharp melting point. Well, next thing that we are going to study is extraction of sulfur. Although sulfur is found in the nature in the form of sulfides and sulfate ores, but it is found in the elemental state also under the earth's surface at a depth of about 700 to 1200 feet. From there it is extracted by Frasch process. In this process, 3 concentric pipes are sunk deep into the ground, superheated at 170 degrees Celsius. Water is forced down the outer pipe, due to which sulfur melts. Then compressed air is blown through inner pipe, due to which molten sulfur comes out through the middle pipe, along with air and steam. Pure sulfur is obtained by boiling impure sulfur at 444 degrees Celsius. The vapors of sulfur evolved are condensed on the cold walls as a light yellow powder is obtained. Then compounds of sulfur. So first one is SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. Methods of preparation. It can be prepared by many reactions, but some important reactions are given below. Number 1, S plus O2. Heat to burn, we get SO2. Second, S plus 2H2SO4 concentrated, heat it, we get 2H2O plus 3SO2. Third, copper or silver metal plus sulfuric acid concentrated. On heating, the products are copper sulfate plus 2H2O plus SO2. Fourth, Na2SO3 plus 2HCl dilute. The products are 2NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. Fifth, 2ZnS plus 3O2. In fact, it is the roasting type of heating. So the products become 2ZnO plus 2SO2. Number 6, 2CaSO4, that is gypsum, heat it with carbon at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. The products are 2CaO plus CO2 plus SO2. Properties. It is a colorless gas, heavier than air, soluble in water. It has a suffocating odor. It can be easily liquefied into a colorless liquid at minus 10 degrees Celsius by applying pressure. Reactions. Number 1. It neither burns nor helps in burning, but burning magnesium or potassium continue burning in it according to following reactions. 3 Mg plus SO2 give 2 MgO plus MgS. 4K plus 3 SO2 give K2SO3 plus K2H2O3. The second compound is potassium thiosulfate. Number 2, acidic nature. SO2 plus H2O, we get H2SO3, and that is known as sulfurous acid. Therefore, sulfur dioxide is an acidic oxide. It combines with NaOH as 2NaOH plus SO2, forming Na2SO3 plus H2O. But if SO2 be passed in excess, then NaHSO3 is formed. Similarly, with calcium hydroxide solution, the reactions are CaOH halt 2, that is known as lime water. On passing SO2 into it, we first get CaSO3. It gives milkiness in the solution plus H2O. Then, if we continue passing SO2, the second reaction is CaSO3 plus H2O plus SO2. We get CaHSO3 halt 2, that is known as calcium bisulfite, and this is a soluble compound. This behavior, it is important to note, this behavior is at par with carbon dioxide. Number 3, addition reactions. SO2 plus Cl2. The product is SO2Cl2, that is known as sulfuryl chloride. 2SO2 plus O2, reversibly we get 2SO3. PbO2 plus SO2, the product is PbSO4. H2O2 plus SO2, the product is H2SO4. PCl5 plus SO2, there are two products now, SOCl2 plus POCl3. SOCl2 is known as thionyl chloride.